IKEA because I want to buy one like her. Right? Say, this is IKEA here. And we're going to get...
I see the guy who wanted
Yeah. What are we going to get?
no.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Ice cream. What flavor do you want?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. They have chocolate.
I want vanilla.
Okay. The guy was asking if I bought you at IKEA.
I want a drink.
You pay there. That ice cream.
No, not me. You.
Yeah? Just one. I'll split it with Maxine. I'll split it with Maxine. Just one for Maxine. I don't want any. Okay, Maxine. Here. See. There's vanilla and chocolate.
I actually, can I head out? Can we get out, Mom?
You wanna get out? Just a second. You wanna get out from there? Okay. Okay.
Now, I think
What do you want, Queen Max?
vanilla.
No, that's chocolate there. That's the vanilla. But we need to insert a token. Dada and Monica's buying one.
Don't film me.
All right. Okay, I'm filming the vanilla ice cream. You know when you put the cone, just wait for the cone. Then when you put don't do that because ice cream will come out. They have coffee there.
Go. Wait. Go. Got it.
That's Monica there.
You're filming that girl, aren't you? That girl thinks you're filming her.
No, I want to
No,
film.
the pink shirt.
Oh no, I'm not filming her. I want to film that vanilla ice cream. Just wait for the cone. Do you know what is this place? What's the name? Kia.
Kia.
I like your glasses. What color is that?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. It's a rainbow glasses. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
She doesn't speak English.
Okay, say bye. Love you all.